ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Coming to the next question, 12th one. He has given this question in the year June 2018, carries 4 marks. Carries 4 marks. Important question. The question is like this: show that the points A, B, C and D in that order form a rectangle. So, first we will draw the rectangle. So, this is A, let us suppose that is -1, -2, B is 4, 3, C is 2, 5, D is -3, 0. So, rectangle. So, to show that it forms a rectangle, first we will show the diagonals are equal and they bisect each other. That is, diagonal is AC, and we will show that the midpoints bisect, midpoints are equal, midpoint of BD will be equal to midpoint of AC and the diagonals bisect each other. So, first we will find the midpoint of BD and the midpoint of AC. So, that becomes like this: midpoint of AC. Midpoint formula we know, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So, midpoint of AC, A and C. So, add the 2 x coordinates, that is -1 plus 2 by 2 comma -2 plus 5 by 2. How much is this equal to? So, 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 and this is 3 by 2. This is the midpoint of AC. Now, the midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD, again the same formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Always the midpoint formula, add the 2 x coordinates divided by 2, add the 2 y coordinates divided by 2. BD, that is -3 plus 4, 4 minus 3 by 2 comma 0 plus 3 by 2. So, that becomes 4 minus 3, that is 1 by 2 and this is 3 by 2. Are these two equal? That is what I said, the midpoints are equal, means diagonals are equal. Coming to the next point, the diagonals, that is AC length I need to find, that is length of AC, length of AC, nothing but the distance between AC. Distance formula we already know, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, distance between A and C. So, x2 2 minus x1 minus of minus becomes plus 1 whole square plus y2 5 minus of minus plus 2 whole square becomes how much? 2 plus 1 whole square is 9. 9 plus 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 square is 49. 49 plus 9 is root 58. Keep it aside. Now coming to length of the other diagonal, that is BD. So, length of BD becomes the distance formula, again we need to use BD. X2 4 plus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square becomes how much? 7 square is 49 plus 9 becomes how much? Root 58. So, from here we can say like the midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are same and the length of AC and length of BD are same. Therefore, conclusion is diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Therefore, ABCD forms a rectangle. So, once again let me explain you. It is so simple. See, no, don't go with AB is equal to CD or don't go with AD is equal to BC. Compared to that method, this method is very much simple. I am saying like the midpoint of the two diagonals should be equal, that is midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So, both are equal and the diagonal should be equal, that is AC and BD. So, length means nothing but the distance between the first diagonal AC and the second diagonal BD. Are these two equal? How much? Root 58. Both are same. Therefore, the conclusion part becomes like this: diagonals are equal and they bisect each other. Therefore, the figure ABCD forms a rectangle. Now, coming to the next question. This is given in June 2018, carries 4 marks, and the next one is.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach, a cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join.
This one. Question number 13 is given in June 2019, carries how many marks? 4 marks, and this same related to the area of the rhombus. Find the area of the rhombus ABCD whose vertices are ABCD. Rhombus. So, rhombus will be like this. So, this is nothing but let us suppose this is A, B, C and D. These are the given vertices. I need to find the area. Area means I need to find, see here, area of rhombus is equal to, area of rhombus is equal to half into product of the diagonals. Product of the diagonals. So, we need to find the diagonal, that is I can write this as diagonal as half into product of the diagonals. What is the diagonal here? AC into what? BD. So, this becomes a formula. Just I need to find AC length and BD length and substitute in the formula. No need of finding AB, BC, CD, AD, because is already said like find the area of the rhombus. Rhombus అని ఇచ్చేసాడు వాడు. ఇచ్చేసిన తర్వాత ఏం కనుక్కోమన్నాడు? ఓన్లీ ఏరియా. సో, వీ నీడ్ టు జస్ట్ ఫైండ్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద rhombus. No need of finding all the distances. So, first we will be finding AC. AC using the distance formula, which is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So, AC is here, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So, that becomes 3 minus of minus becomes plus 1 whole square plus y2 1 minus 1 whole square. So, that becomes how much? This is 0, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 square is 16, root 16 is 4. This is AC. And coming to BD, what is BD? Again I need to use the same formula, distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, root over that. So, that becomes coming to B and D. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So, 1 minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus of minus 4 plus 2 whole square, that becomes, this is 0, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36, root 36 is 6. This is BD. Substituting in the formula, area of the rhombus is half into product of its diagonals. So, that is nothing but half D1 into D2, or else I can write it as half AC into BD. So, that is AC. What is AC value? How much is that? 4 into BD. How much is that BD? 6. That becomes how much? This goes 6 was 24, 24 by 2 is 12 square units. That becomes the area of the rhombus. Is that clear? Once again, do remember the area of the rhombus formula is half into D1 D2. So simple, half into D1 into D2. As you can see, like D1 indicates, D1 everybody knows that D1 indicates like its diagonal. So, diagonal into diagonal, diagonal of the rhombus, first diagonal and the second diagonal. So, remember like area of the rhombus can be taken as half D1 into D2. What is that D1 means? AC. What is that D2 means? BD. Calculate AC length and BD length, just substitute in the formula. This is given in the year 2019 for 4 marks.